Hello guys and welcome to a new video. Today's video is gonna be an unboxing of this oracle deck, Believe in Your Own Magic oracle deck by Amanda Lovelace. The artwork is by Amanda Lovelace. So I hope you will enjoy this. I've taken off the plastic because no one wanna watch that. And the back. Why is it? Two-time Goodreads Choice Award-winning poet and USA Today best-selling author Amanda Lovelace presents Believe in Your Own Magic, a stunning new oracle deck based on a celebrated poetry series. Women are some kind of magic. With art by fairy tale illustrator Amanda Lovelace, each card offers daily messages of empowerment to steer you in princess, witch, or mermaid, while the highly accessible guidebook offers further insight. Whenever you're in need of some inspiration or validation, this deck will be there to help you believe in your own magic. Perfect for beginners and suitable for practitioners at every skill level. It has 45 cards. It opens like this. It has a protective paper, something like that. And then this is what you have. So here's the deck. And we have our guidebook. And wow, the text is huge. So it looks like she has some questions. She answers them like one here on tarot cards and oracle cards evil. No. What's your intention with this oracle deck? How do you use this? Though I'm lost. Tells how you can use it. Why no reverse meaning? That's normal in oracle decks though, I feel like. Can I ask deck any question I want? And what question you can ask your deck. And yes, and we have princess cards and just that, and it has witch cards and mermaid cards. I really like the text, is humongous. So let's get into the oracle deck. That's what you all are here for, right? So the back looks like this. Very pretty. And then the first card. Princess, you can be your own knight. Evil Queen, you deserve sugar, not salt. Tower, unplug and relax for a spell. The cards seem, I don't know, they're not the thickest. The size is, they are bigger, like this is the animal spirit, or a Doreen Virtue card, so you see they are a little bigger, but they seem okay, not the best maybe, I don't know. Did I show this one? I don't think I did yet. Mirror. Treat your body like the palace it is. Stars. You can manifest your every wish. This only have like girls, females in it, in different colors and shapes. Dragons, slay them all. Sword, make the change. Wings, you never needed those wings to fly. And you can see the wings hanging with the window, and she's flying without them. Phoenix, how's that for happily ever after? Red, forgive. I really enjoy these cards, and I think they're good for beginners too, because they're not so intense. Sun, paint the sun back into your sky. I feel some oracle decks like really intense with the artwork and what's going on and everything. Expectation, don't seek anyone's approval. Lioness, you earned all your stripes. And I don't know if it's gonna pick up. I can see like the stretch marks. I can barely see them on the camera. So there's nothing wrong with that. Thorns, weave together the crown you deserve. Garden, something lovely will grow from this. Bitch fire, stand up for yourself. I think this is gonna be my favorite card. Bitch fire. At first I was like, what? What does it say? I don't have my glasses on, so it's like, okay. I love that. Flower, be honest with yourself. Beautiful. Tree, let them go. Lavender, surround yourself with love. Lighthouse, don't doubt your word. Clover, release your guilt. Library, take control of your own narrative. Confidence, it comes with time and practice. Potion, remember to practice self-love. Love her shirt. Mural, be your own first priority. Oops, we have a runner. Feather, think first before you judge. Witch, Justice is coming. Love her hair. Love it. Protest, start our revolution. Kinda the card for 2020, since this is all going on. Feast, slow down and celebrate yourself. Love it. Castle, it's time for healing, not war. Universe, we are just stardust. Love that picture. Escapist, come home to yourself. Nostalgia, focus on the here and now. So now we're on the mermaid cards. The card looks a little beat up in the corner here. Not good. Voyage, you already have all the answers. Shark, swim away from this situation. Gold, you don't need someone else to fix you. Gray, endings are inevitable. I'm sorry, English is not my first language. Villain, you can always rewrite the story. Raindrops, take a chance on them. Morning, the world awaits you. Sundress, do it for you. Homeward, take yourself out on a date. Spaceship, don't be afraid to sing. Storm, every hurricane comes to an end. And lastly, we have Throne. Your potential is endless. Love the three here. The princess, the witch, and the mermaid. So we're gonna give them a shuffle. Like, I can barely hold. Like, my fingers are stretched as much as they can go. They're a little flimsy, thin. These will be beautiful with a rose gold edging. If you have small hands like me, this is not the easiest thing to do. And when you're like holding one card left, it's like getting bent and there isn't much hold in them. And we got nostalgia. Focus on here and now. Find it in the book. What number was it? 33. and it is here. Gonna read it. You're spending the majority of the time daydreaming, wondering what could have been if only things had gone the way you wanted. By doing this, you aren't giving yourself a fair chance. Truth is, there's nothing you can do to change what happened. No matter how many scenarios you craft in your mind, make improvements to your present, not your imaginary. Be sure to nurture what you've been given. So it seems very nice. All in all, I really like them. I like the artwork, I like the back. The size is a little bit big. They're a little, thin, and they're probably gonna get bent and scuffed really easy. Which is sad, because I want to use this a lot, because I really like this. And I love this one. You can be your own knight. Let's read that one too, just for fun. You may be in a dire situation you need escaping from. Rest assured you have the power within to persevere. You have the power within to persevere. I think it is. Maybe I'm gonna show you too, because yes, you already know. Okay, you already know you don't need to be rescued by a charming prince or a chivalrous knight in shining armor. You got your own shield and sword, and God's help anyone who thinks they can do a better job. So yeah, that was that for this video. I hope you're doing great, and take care and be safe, and I will see you in another video. Bye!